All right. Whew, let me breathe, because none of this is my strength. Once upon a time, Jack Mandora, me not choose none. Correct, we really didn't choose none. Our producer has tasked us to create a storybook. And at the end, we have to give it a title.
At the end,
so here's the book, and we're supposed to write a story. So we're going to write stories, and we're going to illustrate, she says. And all the illustrators just went, what? And then we're going to give it a title. All right. So let's go. So we're going to talk while we're writing it. I think we have to start with the title. But anyway.
So we must end with the title?
Apparently.
We can start with the title.
Me think so.
Or you have to put the cover
on the book first.
All right.
Listen, let me tell you something. Right now, my sister Patricia is at home saying, why are they doing this today? Like, Pat, no, me can't write. Me can't write. Arrow, I don't know why them give me this fiddle. So me start rubbing out already. And this is just writing the name of the book.
You may do my cover.
Yeah, do you cover Empress? Might as well, because I don't know what this. This need help.
My backyard.
All right, my pencil point break. Seriously, Clyde, my pencil is broken. My pencil broke for sure. I don't know when I get that pencil, eh? Where sharpener there? I don't see no sharpener.
You know, I realize...
Which blue thing?
You just have to draw.
It's a rubber. But have mercy. Well, then give me a pen, because that now work. How much minutes in the set? I just the cover alone, me alright.
So I have mine. This is my cover. Front page. Alright.
I don't have a pencil. I'm just repeating that.
Pencil, no?
I'm just going to use the crayons. Thank you.
Now I'm getting into detail. I should have never
That's what I tell you. So this can't take 7 minutes. All the illustrators are just saying to themselves, them really think that them can do this in 7 minutes.
Watch me.
When an illustrator take 10 days.
All right, this is what I'm doing now. Where the brown day,
Embracita! Look here. Hold on. Oh, in right. I don't know what is going to get me for. All the teachers at this point are saying, why, Lord, why? Empress story I've done before me. Still I draw the cover.
No, man. I just think we needed more time.
Of course. It now gonna look neat because we are rushing.
Well, this is what you call abstract. Me just a color.
Empress just a color girl. That this don't make no sense. Me still the panic cover.
What year is
Reggae nights. I'm an art teacher at this point in time is saying why from second form dealing do them something and why are they giving her to do and smile? And I'm asking myself, miss, why are they giving me this to do and smile? Carry this now over. Yeah, man, reggae nights. We need rescuing, me that's what I say. There'll be people coming from the north and south, east and west. When I realize why I do acting, right? Because if me not do art, when I dead for hungry. Lightning strike. Watch your Empress. How much color? Oh, Empress are right. Wait, hold on. Story I go on over there. So I'm there and color and I sing. Clive, coloring is not supposed to be a stressful thing, you know. Coloring is supposed to be fun. We not make it into a stressful thing. How much time we have left? Let me see my meat to start. Hurry up. What you said? Oh, Jesus. Empress story I go on over there, so man. She write a story, me still a draw my title page. Because coloring is not supposed to be stressful. I mean, now make it stress me out. See, every pencil me take up, bro. Oh, Lord. When you're writing children's books, you're not supposed to be doing things so quickly.
You know?
It's too quick. Go on, darling. Take what you want. Take what you want. There'll be people coming from the north and south and east and west. So you better look your best, man. The lightning strikes at 8, so you better not be late. Rubber dubbing, rocking, jamming, fun, loving, reggae night. Pop-pop-a-dum, we come together, feelings right. Every pencil, Clive, every pencil. This broke sharpness to me. Thank you, my love. Well, you can't go on time because my story just reggae nights, pop, 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 pop.
Ready?
What Empress?
All right.
Rita.
Yes, man.
Empress ready long time.
Me not ready.
You not ready?
All right. Me done. This done. Can't do no more another time. Woo. What a
Time
piece
done?
of work.
So you go.
Oh, God.
Go on and show them your thing, darling.
Ready?
Yes.
All right. So my book is called, where you want me to talk? My book is called Tana Your Yard.
I saw my book name too.
What do you mean? I love it. Well, we see. Oh, we know what to tell the picnic them. So that's pretty cool. All right, that's okay. Many versions.
Yes.
Yes, I love it. Well, this version is called Tana Your Yard. Welcome to Aki Walk by Auntie Empress. So you can see Tana Your Yard. You can see the banana tree, the callaloo, the grass, and everybody there in them yard, but they're outside farming their backyard. So we want the children to make up a song. This song is called Long Time Now We No Left We Yard. Come work with Tana we yard. Stop the corona, no make it go hard. Come work with Tana we yard. Remember, Miss Lou, wear your face mask, wash your hands and make with Tana we yard. Aye, aye, aye. Make with Tana we yard. And then we close by saying, remember Miss Lou, Jamaican folk song to the world.
Yes, Empress win easily. Empress win. Win.
That's the book for today.
The book win. Your book win.
Come, Delia.
My book
Staple
does that.
up.
I said, tan your yard. My book now, not yet.
Oh.
There once was a tree. Something in the book. That needed a home. There once was a girl. Yes.
She fling a big stone?
No. Who wanted some fun?
Oh.
Yes. Sabina said she saw the tree and watered it.
Oh.
It's story not done. But you can see it was going somewhere.
Yes. But I love that the tree wanted a home. You know, this nature thing, I think we both are talking about the greenery and, you know, watering a yard, growing something. And the trees need love. They need water.
They do.
They do.
They do.
So anyway, everybody, Tana Your Yard by Auntie Dahlia and Auntie Empress. Today, we encourage all of you to write your own Tana Your Yard story. Tag us on Instagram at Dahlia Harris, at Empress Golding, and at Smile Jam TVJ. We want to see your at-home Tana Your Yard storybook with your children. Tag us, all right? Mine's called Welcome to AccuWalk. That's it for story time. Tana Your Yard, all right? And plant your yard. Up next, retooling your budget after a pay cut. But first, here is another performance.